In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material by using an inverted Voronoi texture node. I'll zoom in, and show you the full nodes. Basically, I've added Voronoi texture, invert, and the math node set to the greater than into the material output's displacement. We can always use this arrow key to shrink or expand the nodes. Please experiment by connecting nodes into other available connectors to see if that would generate a good material for your projects. Since we're using the node editor, the materials can be animated easily. This invert node's values will only affect the material once the greater than node's values are changed. I'll show you what I mean. We can animate this smoothly changing material by assigning keyframes on different node values. Please feel free to experiment with different settings based on this basic node setup. As you can see, we can generate a lot of cool looking materials this way. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.